Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Amazon Echo 5 onto a stand. So the first thing I did is I went onto Amazon and I typed in Echo Show Stand, and these choices popped up. But they're all a little kind of basic for the look I'm going for, so I came across this one. This is the Disney Mickey Mouse inspired stand. It comes in 3 different colors. This one is black and red. This one is black and blue. And the last is black and gray. I chose to go with the traditional Mickey Mouse colors just because it looks a bit more fun. Now that I have the product, let's check it out. This stand is made by OtterBox, Series Den, and it's a stand for the Amazon Echo Show 5 2nd generation and the Amazon Echo Show 5. Let's open the box and check it out. Here are the instructions for installing the stand. Well, it looks pretty simple, so let's install it. The first thing we'll want to do is remove this plastic piece here and then take off the cover, just like that. Then we'll want to unplug the Amazon Show and place it inside the cavity on the Mickey Mouse. Now we will plug it in. And now we will place the plastic piece on top so it holds it into the stand. Just make sure that you press these clips down so it holds everything in place. It's going to reboot, and once it's done, you'll be able to use it like normal. The buttons on top are still exposed, so you can easily press them if you need to get to them. I hope I have given you some inspiration on how to turn your Amazon Echo from this into this. In the description box of this video, I will leave this link so you can go ahead to Amazon and purchase one for yourself, or as a gift for the Disney lover in your life. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.